USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links that say join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then, click on this link and join my Telegram and then check out the brokers and the prop firm here. Sign up with these brokers, open a separate account, start with a demo account and trade with my signals in a separate account only because I will ask you how many trades did you win or lose using my signals. So the data has to be separate and accurate. So fresh account for my signals and my signals only. Subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting with outbound approach with weekly time frame. Here we are. So weekly, we are approaching the EMI. So you can see that we are, we have created this last week. We created this high, and now we are closing above this high. So we are going up. I have told you in my previous videos that the new uptrend has started in USDJPY, and confirmation is right here that this will be the fourth candle which will be closing above the EMA in last 5 days. Okay, so this is the candle on 17th of June which broke above the EMA. Then one candle, two candle, three candle, and even today. All these last 4 candles will be closing above the EMA, and also you can check the slope of the EMA. It's trying to reverse and go up. As you can see, the EMA should be going up in the future. Okay, so I think we can confirm that in USDJPY now officially is in the uptrend and look for longs. So today we have been taking a pullback. So if I come back to 4 hour and I'll show you something. So if you watch my yesterday's USDJPY video, okay, last video which I uploaded on USDJPY, I told you that US market is the last market to open on Monday. For example, when Monday starts, then the first market will be New Zealand market. Then you have this Australian market. Then you have this Japanese market. And then you have this London market. And in the very end on Monday, the US market opens. Okay. So we were here yesterday when I uploaded the video. And I told you that, until the US market doesn't open, we might carry on trending up. Go and check out my yesterday's video. That's what I said. Okay, I said that as long the US market will not open for 8 hours, we might be going up. That's exactly what happened. And since the US market opened, we started coming down, taking a pullback. Okay, now pullback should be it might touch the EMA. Okay, so it might touch down the EMA, then have the rejection, and after the rejection you will have the blue confirmation candle. That's where you will enter long, and you will take your profits right here. So you will easily get 100 pips for free in this trail I just gave you. Okay, I just gave you more than 100 pips. Very, very easy here. All you have to do is wait for this rejection to come from the EMA, because this is the trend from here. Maybe I can show you. So if you see from here till here, okay, so 78% is quite cool. This is a free trade. I'm an idiot. Okay, so I'm giving you free money right now, literally free money. So from here till here now, 78% is what I'm thinking. That's the pullback is going to happen. Okay, so the next red candles will touch down this EMA, and that will be your 78%, as I have shown you using the fib levels. Okay, and after the rejection comes from the EMA, then you will have the next blue candle. That's where you will enter in 4 hour, and then you will take your profit somewhere here, and you will easily make more than 100 pips in this trade. Okay, so yeah, what else do you want from me? Subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, and sign up with the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.